body here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 5-liter underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Odometer reads 87,874. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Headlights. Now you can see we do have some kind of wear, I guess, if you will, showing its age a little up on this front bumper or front fascia. Same with the paint. There's areas, it is a little thin along that edge, as you can see there, but also has a nice shine to it too. So it's kind of one of those, you hear them called 10-footers. Take your time looking at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So is the paint perfect? No, but does it still have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Drive around with the top down. Can't beat that in a Mustang. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There might be a little nick or a scrape here or there. This would be medium Cabernet. 2H is the paint code. Gray cloth interior, bucket seat, center console. Does have an aftermarket stereo that's been installed in it. Looks like a Pioneer. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to check out that power top, see how that goes up and down. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some thin spots on the deck lid too, and a little bit of kind of spider webbing, what have you, on that rear fascia also. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Brakes are 80% or better at all four corners. Rotors and or drum have been recently turned. Technician did note that the valve covers had a little bit of seepage, but kind of expected with age. Not like you can't start it up, drive it, have a little bit of fun. Let's take a little closer look at this interior where we put the top up. Fabric on the seats looks to be in nice shape. Of course, power windows and power locks over here, as you can see. Door panel looks good. And you'll be able to see the interior in the still pics too from every angle. Kind of give you an idea of the wear in the seats. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and start it up. There's what the odometer reads, 87,874. I can't confirm or deny that. Once a vehicle is a certain age, usually it's over 10 years. The miles don't stay on the title, it's marked exempt, but that's what the odometer's reading. Tech did note there was an engine light on. We'll see about that or not. May come on or off. Did not affect the drivability. Car still drove out nicely. Get a good look at the dash there. Let me close the door so we get rid of that chime. No light on at the moment. There's a Pioneer stereo system. It's powered up. Nice throttle response. It's good. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back and listen to this. Running smooth. Nothing crazy over the top as far as the exhaust goes. Like I said, we're going to put that power top up, show you how that works, check out the condition of it. First, let's pop this hood. So we can check out that engine bay. Like I said, we'll check out that power convertible top, and at the very end of the video, we'll take it for a drive. See a little bit of a ding if you get in the right light. You'll see that. All right, let me pause this real quick. Let's check out the engine bay. Underside of the hood. And that 5-liter V8, tried and true. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Got a strut tower brace there. Of course, with the convertible, it's going to come in handy. Give it a little more rigidity. All right, smooth running. AC's been converted to from R12 to the 134A. All right, let me quick get the top up, roll those windows up, check out the condition of that and how it works. And the convertible top up. So as you can see, power top works as it should. Black vinyl top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass so you can get an idea how that fits. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window. Clear, everything good there. And around to the passenger side. Doesn't look like that old at top. Looks like it has been replaced. Side glass on the passenger side. Nice fit there too. Up top, no rips, tears, holes, and again back to that tight fit above the windshield. All right, I'll show you the top going back down, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1989 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 convertible with the top up today. This is a 5-speed manual transmission. Very smooth running Mustang. Shifts nicely, clutch feels good. Kenwood stereo, I'm sorry, Pioneer stereo in the dash. Kenwood and Pioneer, they were rivals back in the day, still are. Blower motor works on this Mustang. Power top for easy convertible ups and downs. Very nice bucket seats in this car. Cloth bucket seats. There's a little bit of wind noise around the edge of the top, and that's probably because it's November in Minnesota, and it is chilly out there, and a little windy as well. Steering very responsive, brakes nicely. We'll go to second gear for the traffic circle here. This car stays nice and level in the corners. Doesn't lean much. And with a stick, you can rev it right to where you want the power. Makes it even more fun. Be sure to head to Unique Classic Cars and look at all the details and all the pictures of this 89 Ford Mustang GT.